No trip to Sri Lanka could be complete without a chicken curry. Absolutely wonderful, served everywhere. I truly, truly, truly love this dish. Let's go and do it. Let's take a look at some of the ingredients here. So we've got a whole chicken here, bone in, the skin has been taken off. Salt. Spices today, we're going to be using some chili powder, some curry powder, and some black pepper, along with some rampa or pandam leaves, curry leaves, a little bit of cinnamon stick, tomato, onions, garlic, fresh chili, and as always in Sri Lanka, coconut milk. Let's go and do it. So we're going to start off with some oil in there. I'm using a coconut oil, but you could be using any other oil you wanted. We're going to get into that our chili, onions, and our garlic, and our rampa, cinnamon, and the curry leaves. We're going to saute this on a medium heat for like 2 to 3 minutes only. Keep stirring. Fantastic, just getting those lovely flavours all together. Now it's time to introduce the chicken. And like I said, this is our whole chicken. The skin's been taken off, but all the bone is in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute this for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often. Just again for a few minutes. Obviously this chicken's nowhere near cooked yet, but certainly on its way. What I'm going to do now is add some salt in there to taste. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add some curry powder and chili powder. Quite a lot of chili powder. In that goes. I'm now going to stir this around and keeping it moving now all the time for about 4 minutes. Coming together so well. Like I say, keep stirring this because you'll burn your powders. Once your powders go in, you need to keep it moving. Simply, we're going to add like a cup or a glass of water, and we're going to let that go on the same kind of medium or above medium heat, just for 5 minutes. You can give that a stir every now and then. Chicken curry at its best. Look at that, amazing. Right, next up, we're going to add some coconut milk. In that goes. Staying on this same heat, we're going to cook that for 5 minutes. And there's only one more ingredient to go in, which is some tomatoes, which we're just going to add at the end, throw in at the end and serve. That is a wok of goodness. Look at that, fantastic. Completely done, wonderful. Finally, some tomatoes, in they go. Just stir them in. You don't have to really cook the tomatoes, you want them kind of nice and raw. That is ready to serve. There you go, a lovely, beautiful Sri Lankan chicken curry. Chicken curry, done. Absolutely wonderful, with rice, white or red.